Hello guys, welcome to a Christmas presentation of PowerPoint based on 6 specific creative social media ideas for the Christmas season. So basically, this giving hashtags, giving the sales tagline on how to produce Christmas sales in social media and to go live on social media and to organize ideas and gifts in social media. Right, so there's only 8 slides, so very short presentation. So I'm going to start right now. So start from the beginning, present the title page. Right, so presentation is called 6 Creative Social Media Ideas for Christmas. Right, now we're going to the fourth creative social media for Christmas. It is called Make Your Social Media Platform Irresistible. Now, to reach the potential customers as well as the new customers during the festive season, you need to make your social media accounts very captivating. You use your inspired text and visuals to advertise your products. An offers such as the Christmas sales, which I presented from the previous PowerPoint, and the season end sale, EEC. So use your platform on mobile phone, your computer, whatever technology that you have. So that's a force creative social media ideas to make your social media platform irresistible. Right, so go on, proceed to the next slide and present the second creative social media idea. That one is called create Christmas inspired hashtags. So an example here is a Twitter sales tagline hashtag on Starbucks coffee. Basically Christmas decorations and labels that are labeled in the coffees. So the audience or visitors cannot find to be stimulated by Christmas inspiration tags, hashtags. Creating your own hashtags will help in fetching user-generated content and being engagement and exposure and for your own brands and on products. For instance, you can also create hashtags like, for example, hashtag Christmas wish list, hashtag Christmas gift, etc. And the social media followers can use it to follow it and comment on those hashtags. You see over thousands of retweets and 2,000 likes on the Starbucks hashtag that has been Christmas decorated and platformed on social media on Twitter. That they are trying to promote and hashtag their products on coffee. So it gives them a clear, good message on to celebrate the Christmas season on Starbucks. That's very good. Right, so I'm going to go to the next slide and present the third creative social media hashtag. I mean, ideas. So, social media idea. So, go live on social media. So, if you want to create urgency among your customer and or visitors, share amusing stories about the products and your brand. Like, for example, on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever social media platform that you're in. You can also share behind the scenes about Christmas preparations and how your own brand can gear up for the festive Christmas season. So let's go live on social media and stream it online on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. Okay, creative social media idea number 4. Share the magic of giving. To share the true spirit of the festive season with your audience, create special offer or hashtag and encourage them to post on social media. The target and the social cost that goes with your brand's ideology and encourages the audience to participate in it. Moreover, you can also reward your audience for being a helpful hand to your brands to spread the message through social media. Well, that's very good. So, 2 more ideas left. So, idea number 5 will be the next slide. Create a hashtag campaign. So if you want to promote your brand or your service, then create a social media campaign and promote it across all the social media platforms. Share your hashtag with the customers as well as the visitors and motivate them to use your brand hashtag with their posts. You can also display a social wall on any event during the Christmas and display your user-generated content. Like, for example, hashtag campaign of Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. That's a great hashtag for social media. Also, the sixth and the last social media creative idea is to organize the giveaways and the contests alerts. So giveaways can help your brand engage the followers and injecting a holiday spirit among them. Feature your customers or visitors in your post and increase their participation during the Christmas festive season. Organizing the content alerts during the festive season is the best way to gain your customers' trust without investing a penny on its product promotion. Right, so that's the last idea, and it's the last slide to say that thank you all for watching the presentation and happy Christmas, everybody. With your Christmas card, a Christmas tree, and the gifts, the candy canes, the Christmas hats, and the Christmas stockings. Okay, so before I finish up and say my farewell to this PowerPoint, I'm going to review the 8 slides and check the accessibility and the balance. Okay, check slides. No issues on this slide. No issues on this slide. Okay, there's no issues on this slide. You go live on social media. There's no issues on this slide. Share the magic of giving. No issues. Great hashtag campaign. No issues. Organize the giveaways and the contests alerts. No issues on this slide. And a thank you, happy Merry Christmas, everybody slide. Who cares? No issues. So that's it for today. So that's a basic creative social media, 6 creative social media ideas to use for the Christmas season. So that's how to create your hashtags, your campaigns, your giveaway, going live on social media and using your social media platforms to resist. So thank you all for watching this. Happy Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Have a great season on holidays and see you all soon. And thank you all for watching this. Adios.